vlog again. Just can't wait to do a vlog again. The life I love is making vlogs for my friends, and I can't wait to do a vlog again. Doing a vlog again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. And I can't wait to do a vlog again. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Top Vloggers. As always, I am High and Mighty Joe, and we are back with another vlog for you today. I am not alone. That is right. I am here with
the lovely cat and
Aaron, of course.
That's right, Aaron, the lovely cat. We are here. We had to stop right here at this Terrible's to get a bottle of water. Aaron forgot his drink at the house, so we had to get a bottle of water. But now we are off to do a little trick-or-treating and look at some classic nice cars. This should be a fun and exciting time. So let's get going. Now this is our first car. Check it out. Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous. And it's for sale as well. Beautiful. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look at their cool decorations that they got up here. Definitely a big fan of the skulls. So. This is a super snake.
They got 1980 almost.
I think that was before 1980.
This is absolutely gorgeous. Check that out. Yeah. That is gorgeous. Love the palm trees and everything. Oh, check that one out, Aaron.
It's spooky.
It's spooky.
Look at this kid singing a song. He says, sing this song.
The old red one.
Song.
Got a black cat and a skeleton over here. Oh yeah. That's gorgeous. There you go. They got pumpkins and skulls and all kinds of cool things around here.
If it was rain, it would have all kinds of lights, but...
Oh yeah. Absolutely gorgeous with the spiders on the front right there.
Yeah, it's funny, the last time we did this, we were way over by... over by South Point, and I got home the next morning. I walked by the car and there was still a spider attached. Exactly.
There is a beauty right there, Aaron. Check that out.
Stay here.
You gotta love that one. Absolutely gorgeous. This one, oh, this one's right down Daddy's favorite color alley, isn't it? Yeah, Daddy loves that turquoise blue, that teal blue, that baby blue. Daddy loves the blue. Blue, black, and orange. And they even have a, Aaron, they even have a coffin here as well.
I just told Mommy about that. It looks so spooky.
Oh, check this one out, Aaron. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Now that is a beauty right there. You don't like this one?
I said I like it.
Oh, you do like this one? Yeah, it's a beauty.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Good car.
Now check that one out. That is absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna take a peek inside and get the interior. Oh yeah. Absolutely. Now I have noticed one thing. I have noticed that there is a lot of red, it seems like, in the classic car community. The one thing I prefer is obviously anything not red, but they are still gorgeous cars. Oh, honey. Honey. Honey.
What?
I want this.
You can't have it.
Oh, but I want one of those.
Well, I'm sorry. I said no, you cannot have it.
Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh. Look at all of these beautiful cars. Check out that little car. That is so cool. 1976 Austin Mini. Yeah, that thing is awesome. And of course you got all of these beauties. Aaron, what do you think about these cars?
I don't like that one, but I like this one.
You like the blue one?
Daddy likes this one.
And I like that it has the number 44 on it.
Yeah, Daddy likes this one.
I'm 44. I'm pretty
This is
44.
beautiful. Oh, right here. A 1924 or a 1928 Ford. That thing is gorgeous.
This is a 1919.
A 1919 Buick Roadster. You know that these were the cars of the day. Like, oh man, they're just absolutely gorgeous. 1931. 1932.
This one's 1923.
This one's a what'd you say, 1923?
No, yeah, 1923.
Okay. A 1941 Ford Deuce Coupe. That thing is sharp. Lots of beautiful, beautiful cars. Oh, check this one out, Kat. Wow. $1950 Chevrolet sedan delivery. Oh, deliver me some goodness. I love that. Which one did you want?
I like the blue one down there.
The little blue one down here with the eyelashes on it?
This is what I like best.
Yeah, this is the one Kat wants. Kat wants herself a 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle.
Or this Volkswagen down here. I like this too.
This is the one I like the most out of all of them. This one because it has the fires on it.
The Ford Deuce Coupe.
Ford
Deuce Coupe.
Deuce Coupe.
Now, Kat, this is a 75 Volkswagen bus. 75. Man. That is the bus to have right there. That's what you right there, dear. That's what you call the one-person camper. Yeah, oh, look at that one, Aaron. Got a number 60 on it. Yeah, so many cool cars here. One of these days we'll have to see if we can take a proper tour and they could show us some of the best ones and tell us a little bit more about them, because I personally love every single one of these cars. Like, they are all beautiful. What do you think about them, Aaron?
I want to go show you guys a car. Can we go?
We'll see it as we get there.
Oh.
What? Oh, yes, dear. Oh, I love this convertible.
That looks old.
I don't care for the color, but boy, I sure do.
It's not that old though. It's only a 78.
But I sure do love the look of it. Yeah, so many beautiful cars here. Now that is a big, big truck, wouldn't you say, Aaron?
Yeah, but I want it.
Yeah, it says monster on the side, and boy, it sure is.
And guess
It's
what's the best
a
part?
monster of a truck.
It has a Mickey Mouse on the top.
It has a Mickey Mouse on the top. It is. Sure is. Now this is a big old truck right here too. Check this one out. You stand up, you'd get noticed in that, wouldn't you? That thing is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous Bronco. That's kind of cool. And that classic old style truck right there, and they got the witch hanging from it. The pumpkin witch. Oh, that's beautiful. Boy, you ain't kidding. That is an old one, isn't it?
Look at that wheel.
Yeah, that is an old
I
one.
bet this is where the sting comes out of.
The steam, yeah, you never know. It is.
That is very old.
That is gorgeous. It's gorgeous that something like that even still exists. I love things when I see old,
Has decent
great
tread on the tires.
things like this. It's well,
Decent, not the best, but decent.
I'd assume that those are probably not the original tires.
No,
All right, well, we are
not.
entering the haunted school bus. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, this one is all about Kobe, baby. All about Kobe and his wonderful Lakerness. Oh, and you got some candy there too. Oh yeah. Check this. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Oh.
Look at the trunk on the top of the trunk.
Yeah. Oh. And that's on the hood. Oh, yeah. This is nice. Look at that right there.
I'm giving out your candy because you're slopping laughing.
Liquid death mountain water. Death to plastic. Huh.
We got candy over here too.
Candy.
Water? Choose water in a can.
Sure.
We
Yeah.
got regular and we got lime.
What flavor do you want, dear?
One's just flat water, one's sparkling lime.
Give us one of each.
Okay.
That also has a fucking.
Yeah,
Here's your
check that
clothing.
out. The meat wagon. is awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming on this vlog. I had a great time. As you can see, we are finally home into our comfier clothes. By the way, Aaron, can you tell everybody what's on your shirt? Is that the Rockefeller on your shirt? All right. Well, we had a great time. Did you enjoy all the cars?
No, I only like 15.
You only like 15. Okay, well, at least you like some of
on the
them.
other hand, loved today. The cars were beautiful and very well taken care of.
Absolutely, and it was great to see that really, really, really old one too. Kind of reminded me something that my grandfather used to tell me about when he was here. He used to tell me about those, and it was great, that is for sure. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. You can take it one step further and ring that notification bell to keep you up to date on all the future adventures we'll be going on our channel. I think that's going to do it for us here today. Until next time.
The vlog is out.
Nailed it.